Hello, my name's Kib White, and on this quick tour, I'm going to show you how to use the Roles for Membership Levels add-on for Paid Memberships Pro. Now, this add-on lets you assign WordPress roles or custom roles to your users based on the membership level that they check out for. In WordPress, roles control what the user can do in the WordPress dashboard. Paid Memberships Pro doesn't use roles for content access. The membership levels you create for your site already cover that. This add-on just gives you the option to add extra roles to certain membership levels if you want them to have more abilities, like writing a post or managing content. So let me show you how to install it. First, you're going to be in your dashboard. You're going to go to Memberships and Add-ons. Now, this is a free add-on, so anyone who has Paid Memberships Pro installed can download it. We're going to install it, and we're going to activate it. Now we're going to go to the level I created. So I have a free user. So when my free user checks out, we have here role settings. I want them to have a role of free. That is going to be their role. I could also give them the subscriber role, but definitely my new role is going to be free, named after the role name. But my power members, I want to give them a little more to do. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to give them the author role. And in this way, they'll be able to create posts. And we'll save that. Now, when your users check out, they will have those roles attached to their account. And I'll show you here very quickly. I'm going to go here, my power member. They're going to check out. Now, when they check out, old Gladys here, we're going to go to the dashboard. We can see they can see posts and they can create a post because I've given them that role, which is a default WordPress role. Another thing we could do, let's log out of here. We could go to membership levels and we could sign up for free. And that's where we created that free role. So we're going to check out for that. Now, they're free. If you can see, they can't get in the dashboard because they don't have any capabilities to do it. If I was going to look on my back end and look at my users, I can see now I have subscribers, but I have Gladys, who she's now that, and an author. And Melissa has a subscriber and the free role, which is the custom role I created. And that's what this plugin will do for you. It'll assign roles at checkout. Now, if you want to modify the capabilities or what those roles can do, you would need a third-party plugin. Something like User Role Editor is what I use to edit my roles and give people different capabilities. So say you've done this, you're not happy with it, you don't want to use it, you can go over here to Plugins. You can deactivate it, which will keep the roles in place, the custom roles you've created, or you can delete roles when you deactivate. So I'm going to deactivate. I'll go back to the list. And now you can see that free role doesn't exist anymore. And that's it. I hope this walkthrough was helpful to you. If you want more instructions or more tips, please see the links below. And they will point you to some of the things we've talked about.
I hope you got some value out of what you just watched. If you're serious about building a profitable membership site, the fastest way to launch or scale is with a premium plan at paidmembershipspro.com. We've made it as affordable as possible to get started, and most people who upgrade stick with us for years. Why? Because they're making money, and we keep delivering expert support, premium add-ons, and a private community of over 1,000 creators building businesses just like yours. Click the link to compare plans or keep learning. We'll see you in the next video.